I'm Greg Thompson. I'm the creator of the Special Operations Combative Program, SOCP. I've been training the Special Operations Forces for over 15 years. In the development of the SOCP dagger, I spent several years developing prototypes. Once I got to a shape that I really liked, I reached out to Master Sergeant Bill Snow, and he fabricated the final prototype for me. I took that prototype to several companies and finally ended up with Benchmade, who would help me develop the final sheath concept we have today.
My name's Jason. I'm a Hoist Gracie black belt. I've been doing martial arts for 15 years and instructing for 10. Over the last 10 years, I've been teaching everybody from civilians to the special operations community. I feel that you need to be armed at all times or you're negligent. Great thing about the SOCP dagger and the SOCP knives is it links to your fighting systems, jiu-jitsu, boxing, whatever you like to do. If I like to box and I'm a good, I got my good lead hand forward, good fighting stance, and if I need to bring a tool into the fight, I can access this weapon quick and I'm back in my boxing stance. The SOCP daggers, I throw it out, it gives me a couple inches on my jab. I can also jab at you, punch at you and keep you away, flick at your eyes. It allows me to keep the space, and hopefully when you see this coming towards you, you're not going to want to fight me no more. If you end up in a ground fight, you're definitely going to want a blade that you're able to access quickly without the enemy being able to get a hold of it. So if I end up on the ground, tackled on the ground, and I'm able to get to my guard position, where we're taught to push and shrimp away and push and shrimp away, I can access my blade, get to it, and use this to push and shrimp away. I should get a reaction and get some space, allow me to stand back up, either get to my boxing or take off running, do whatever you need to do to survive.
My name is Sergeant First Class McLean, 3rd Special Forces Group's Combatives Instructor. The bottom line is a lot of guys are carrying conceal, a lot of soldiers carry conceal on the civilian side, going from state to state doing the training. So what we're going to talk about today is using the SOCP knife, okay, to set us up, create space in order to work back to our primary weapon, at that point being our pistol. We'll start with the simplest scenario first. I deal with some type of scenario where I'm gonna have to engage with the SOCP knife. Right, it's in my left hand right now. My right hand is still gonna be free. So this guy would go into action and setting me up to create space. My right hand would then be free to clear all the clothing out of the way and get back to my pistol. What's awesome about this capability is I go to set up for a good shot, the knife is gonna feed in naturally to where I would normally hold my hand when I'm engaging with the pistol. So let's say I did get caught into a position where I had to draw with my right hand. Now, you have choices at this point with the regular knife. I don't have a regular knife right now, I have the SOCP dagger. So with the regular knife, as I get into this fight and I do want to work back to my pistol, I'm gonna have to do something. Either I'm gonna have to drop my knife to the ground or I'm gonna have to pass this knife off to my other hand. The reason the SOCP knife is so awesome is I don't have to do that. So I can create the space here with my right hand. I can still clear all the clothing out, still get to my pistol, and I can still set myself up for a really stable, good pistol shot from right here. The knife is super sleek. It's not giving a big print. A lot of the other knives out on the market, as soon as you put this into an appendix carry, it's got a big handle. You're gonna see that guy bulging out, and that's something that we want to avoid, especially when there's a reason that we're concealing our weapons. Okay, so we don't want that standing out.
One of the greatest assets of the SOCP dagger is its concealment versatility. Whether I'm at home, at work, or in the vehicle, I can conceal this dagger in a place where it's easy for me to access and almost invisible to all others. This unique sheath design is what separates the SOCP dagger from all other edge defense weapons.
For your SOCP dagger, go to benchmade.com.
Hey everybody, Kevin here with VZ Grips. Here today to introduce and demonstrate some new offerings in the sheath department for some of our daggers. This is the Executive, the most popular of our G10 daggers. It already has a leather sheath as well as a nylon sheath available. Today we're going to introduce a new way, a new option. It's a leather sheath, it's inside the waistband. I'm going to demonstrate it here for you in a moment. All right, again, this is a Gadsden County Leatherworks product made exclusively for VZ. Pretty simple on this one. Just decided to give us another option for carrying the Executive. It's an inside the waistband. That's the belt loop. Obviously, it's not attached there, and that allows you to thread the loop through the belt through the loop, and then here's where the inside the waistband part comes. You can actually drop it into your pants. Becomes pretty difficult to see. That's how it presents. Just at the top to pull it. And that's it. Any questions about this or any of our other products, please feel free to call us or contact us at vzgrips.com. While you're there, sign up for our newsletter and be sure to check us out on all your favorite social media platforms. As always, stay safe out there.
This is the Smith & Wesson SWHRT-9B, full-tang spear-point fixed-blade knife. Draped in covert black, the Smith & Wesson SWHRT-9B is a tactical and self-defense blade forged from high-carbon 7CR17 Movi stainless steel. The 12.1 centimeter blood-grooved black blade is dual-edged, providing bi-directional, razor-sharp cutting power along with a finely tapered spear point tip. The full tang design captures the high tensile strength of the blade's steel, carrying it through the full length of the 22.9 centimeter knife and forming the internal core of the ribbed black TPE handle. Top and bottom finger guard extensions distance your hand from the dual-edged blade. A lanyard hole in the handle's base can be used to tether the SWHRT-9B to your wrist for added security during tactical operations. A black leather boot sheath with reinforced stitching and sturdy steel clip provides discreet, ready access. A lightweight, tactical spear point blade, the SWHRT-9B is a quality cutting tool designed for professionals.
This is the GDC Money Clip. It holds your cash, up to 5 cards, and a 1.75-inch fine-edge stainless steel blade. At just 3.6 total inches, the Money Clip fits easily into your pocket. When you need the blade, just grab the ring, release the lock, and pull. The thumb notch ensures a solid hold that won't budge. After you're done, the blade snaps back into the super sturdy steel sheath shielded by a G10 composite plate. This is function, utility, and style in your pocket. This is the GDC Money Clip.